welcome to the Rev Fishing channel.
Today we will share information about around the sea world.
Let's explore the sea.
Yellowfin tuna fishing. Yellowfin tuna, in Hawaiian, are a beautiful and tasty fish found throughout the world in warm waters. Tuna eat a large number of different things, including bait fish like sardines and mackerel, squid, and even small pelagic crabs. Yellowfin tuna swim great distances during their lifetimes. They attain sizes in excess of 400 pounds, although fish this size are only found in the eastern Pacific and are generally caught in Mexico. They are a great game fish and are great to eat. Tuna are strong fighters, and the yellowfin is a prime example. Built for speed and constantly roaming the seas, they have a lot of strength and a lot of stamina. They make long runs, and if you have enough line on your reel to eventually turn a big one around. They dive deep and turn their bodies sideways to make every crank on the handle a chore. Yellowfin tuna culinary rating, high. Yellowfin tuna are one of the most widely eaten fish in the world and are very common in sushi restaurants. Probably best to have them in restaurants, where they have likely, at least in the US, been flash frozen first to kill any parasites. Yellowfin tuna tackle. Small schoolies in the 10 to 15 pounds range are great fun on light tackle in the 15 pounds range. The large ones require heavy gear and lots of 100 pounds braided line. They are almost never near any structure, so if you have the patience you can land them on relatively light gear. Calstar rods are what I have used for almost every tuna I have caught, and I have used the Shimano Trinidad 16 reel for a wide variety of sizes. Yellowfin tuna techniques. These tuna often feed near the surface, so top water techniques can be used. Once in a while they will hit top waters when they won't hit anything else. Like all tuna, they have pretty good eyesight, so you might want to try a fluorocarbon leader to reduce visibility. Whether you are fishing with lures or bait, chum is often effective on tuna. That helps keep the fish around the boat. Yellowfin tuna lures. The halco max is a nice trolling plug because it can be trolled very fast. When in doubt, on color blue and white is often good, as well as green. Personally, I like to replace treble hooks with single or double hooks, as they are less likely to bend or shake them. The cedar plugs don't look like much at all, but they sure work. If you find a school of feeding fish, you can cast lures into them. One fun way to catch them is chugga-popper lures, retrieved in a pop-pop pause rhythm. Probably the best all-around popper for tuna is the Ozuri Sashimi Bull. It can be skittered fast over the top or popped more slowly, and the colors are amazing. The Shimano Orca is a stick bait that has gained popularity recently. It is worked quickly near the surface. Finally, metal jigs in metallic and blue colors often work well when the fish are deep. Yellowfin tuna baits. Anchovies and sardines work well for the smaller school-size fish. Pacific mackerel work well for the larger ones. While the biggest ones can be targeted with large live skipjack tuna in the 2 to 5 pound size. They also eat squid if those are around. Very large yellowfin tuna can be caught fishing baits below a kite. Goggle eyes work well for kite fishing. You rig a 3-way swivel and fish 2 at once, and that really gets the tuna going. If you are trying for giants, you can try slow trolling a live skipjack. If you are going to try this, make sure your boat has tuna tubes to keep the skipjack alive. Where to get a big yellowfin tuna? The biggest yellowfin tuna are on the Pacific coast of Mexico. The San Diego Long Range Fleet targets these in the fall, and most of the biggest ones are caught on these boats. Puerto Vallarta also has some giants, as does Hannibal Bank in Panama. Louisiana is supposed to have a good fishery for the 100 lbs if you want to be in the States. All of my big ones were caught in Puerto Vallarta though.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to like,